Yo, what's up, Don Luke Vlog? So, today I have just learned how to make um artillery, is that called, or a turret in mobile. It's mobile friendly, guys. So first, I think wait. You have to get a wheel. What do you call this wheel again? Wheel, a wheel. It's very easy, guys. So get this wheel, that, and if you don't have scale tool, you can just do this. There. After that, you have to put wheels again. Where are the wheels? Um, sorry about that. Where's the wheels? Right. Okay, no, not that. This is perfect. This and where? After that, you have to put that one, two, and put the cannon here. You can, shade it if you want. Oh, my bad. I have cough, so I'm sorry for coughing. And no, here's the best part. Get random these blocks. Get any blocks like this. Put one, and what do you call this again? A seat. Put a seat here. Now, get a switch. I mean a lever, by the way, lever. My bad. Oh, a lever. Where's the lever, bro? Lever. Ah, right here. Perfect. Lever. Oh, now get this and do this, and if you want, you can make the wheels slow so it won't mess up. But I like to make them 0.5 slow, like so, not very fast. But you can do one or yeah. And of course, if you want, you under this transparency 100, and there you have it. Have to just anchor, and now you have a working tool. And by the way, if they're like connected to these wheels, this is connected to these wheels, you should unconnect them. Yeah. See, it's connected somewhere. So let's unconnect them. Okay, it's still connected, but you should just check if they're connected. And that's all. And check this out. Wow. Yes. So that's all, guys. If you want, you could make it on a truck like I did. Wait. just wait a second. Right there. I put it on a truck. Just let me out, okay? And that's how to make a mobile friendly turret, guys. Meow. Yeah. Nice. So that's all for today's Don Lucio vlogs. Thank you, and I forgot to show you how it shoots. It shoots a lot. So that's all, guys. Goodbye, and see you whenever I post a video again. Good night and a happy new year and a happy Valentine's. So goodbye, guys.